Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am just very happy to review Core Clips. This sample was provided by them, so thank you, Core Clips, for the sample. And I love the sample. This is the box. It has this beautiful carrying case, which is very useful to take it to the beach, to take it to the pool. And here are the clips. Inside, it comes with 4 clips. They all look the same, and I love them because they are made of stainless steel. So they are very strong. It feels very strong, very steady. It will prevent your towel to be blown away by the wind of the beach, by the chairs in a pool. This is even useful. It has multiple uses. You can use it to hang towels and to hang them to dry at home, or to hang to dry clothing. Also, you can use it in the kitchen to hold a bag or something like that. So it's very useful. It does have multiple uses, but I want to use it for the beach, for the towels. It has a steady grip, as you can see here. This is made of stainless steel, so this won't rust easily, and I like it. It's very sturdy. I believe you should check them out. They have different colors, and I really feel the quality of the product. I feel very comfortable putting the 4 clips around my towels and just enjoy the day at the beach, even if it's windy. I hope you enjoyed them too. I do hope you check them out. Thank you for watching my video.